of some technical issues. Right, we wanted to have. Okay, so we are going live right now, and though our main focus is Canadian, right, which is 245, but we want to look at CPI first on US dollar. So check out, we'll be having some fundamental analysis for people to really understand what we are looking at. So we are going to go to Forex Factory. So if you're not joining us, just go to Forex Factory. So I'll drop the notification now on the group. Let's start joining. So let's go to Forex Factory. Forex Factory, let's go. I don't know. I'm forecasting that USD will rebound, okay? That is move up. So if USD will be moving up, I'll be expecting to trade USD down, okay, and all the rest. So now, on my own side, that is what I'm thinking. So on my own side, I'm looking at Euro USD at the outcome of the news to take out this low. Okay, taking out this low. Then for me, depending on how big the news will move, first target should be on this zone. Okay, first target should be on this zone. Then the second target will be on this zone. So look at what I'm expecting. If you watch, USD is still playing a range, waiting for the news. So if the news is positive for USD, so we're going to be seeing USD trade up to this level. Then depending on the powerful the news is, okay, then if you go further, we'll be expecting it somewhere again. Now, one of the reasons why I'm looking for Euro USD down is that price has been overbought. Okay, price has been overbought. Like if you look at USD index, price has been oversold. This is USD index, price has been oversold. So most likely there will be a correction from my own part. But depending on what the news says, but if the other way around, the news is negative for USD, then let's expect that Euro will take out this zone. If you take out this zone, then look at this. Let's go to the daily. What's next? If you take out that zone, I'm looking at, okay, this, okay, we've already made this stop. This is the first stop. then expect Euro USD somewhere here. But let me just say 70-80% I'm expecting Euro USD down, but let's see. That is for me. Then for GBP USD, okay, GBP USD, I saw something this afternoon. If you look at this guy, first of all, it has swept this liquidity zone, and after did that, it now gave us a liquidity sweep. It now gave us a liquidity sweep, which is still playing out. Okay, this is it. Let's tag it liquidity sweep. Okay, so we saw liquidity sweep, which is still playing now. So for me, if that equally happened, okay, remember it's correlated with Euro USD, then we should be expecting our price to push into this zone first. Okay, maybe early entry. Those who entered, I want to book their profit so fast. Look at this zone first. Then if it goes further down, then let's see, we can get this zone further down. These are zones where I think price might reach, but let's see how the news plays out. Okay, depending on, we have like 6 more minutes. I will say that if we now go back to USD CAD, USD Canadian dollar, remember that last, was it on Monday? Okay, remember on Monday, okay, if you remember, I told you that this guy will grab this zone. I said it on Monday. Go back to that chart, see on, if you can go back, okay, USD cash, there is USD cash we did, that was on Monday. So let's see, good. So those of you that watched that our live, okay, we told you that first of all we have liquidity here, and in that live we told you that this liquidity will be taken out, and if you take it out, what happened? We will most likely see price go to this fair value gap, and that was just what happened. Remember, today is Wednesday, so that thing we did it on Monday. Okay, so you can see what happened. Price have gone into that zone. Okay, so having said that, let's go to what might happen to USD based on this CPI news. So if the same thing happened, that dollar becomes strong, okay, expect USD CAD maybe to go back in this zone, and probably the next hour will get it this way. Okay, so on my own side, I'm forecasting USD to be a strong pair. Then on gold, okay, on gold, let's open gold. This was the one I analyzed with my students today. So for gold, let's look at what might happen to gold. Let's delete all this, then go to gold. Okay, we'll have a few minutes here. So for the gold chart, I'm looking at 2 levels. First of all, if the price go as forecasted, meaning that USD should be going for a rebound, then you know that gold will drastically fall. And if it falls, take note of this, it will break out this massively. We are still looking at this support first. Okay, so let's go. Let's see what happened to gold. Already we've gotten this liquidity swept, then we'll see this liquidity having taken. So if that happens, then expect gold to go down towards this level. First level, just have 3 minutes. First level should be this. Okay, first level should be this. Then second level, gold might even go all the way. I'm looking at this, so this should be the second level. Okay, the only thing I did was to analyze all these pairs on the opposite side. So if it happened the other way around, no problem. But this is what I'm expecting. Euro, gold go down, Euro USD down up to this level. GBP USD down up to this level. So let's see.
The volume.
Okay. So these are what we're expecting. We have 2 more minutes. Remember, the news will be coming in 2 minutes time, and on my own, I'm expecting USD, okay, to bounce up from there, because USD dollar index have been in a downward trend, so we should be expecting what, a correction. But all of these are what, analysis. Let's see what will happen in the next 2 minutes.
Okay, so in essence, what we are saying in essence is that we're waiting for the news. After the news, we will see the direction based on the outcome of the news. You can see if the data are favorable to dollar, of course it will be strong. If it is the other way around, so we look for levels where we trade.
Yes.
So let's watch. This is a forecast. Based on the forecast, until the news is out, we will know the outcome and how the market will react. Alright, so just in the next 1 minute, we'll see how the news will come out. So the levels have already been given, and if the news favors dollar, of course dollar will be strong, gold will fall. Already, so gold has already come down to 2913. I've already sold gold this morning. I've been buying gold since Monday. We had our week analysis, and I told you that we are buying gold, and I sent the trade, and it hits all our TPs. So right now, so let's watch and see what will happen. Of course, we will still be going live 2:45 because we want to trade Canadian dollars, right? We want to trade cash. So just 30 seconds more for the news to be out, and then CPI. Let's see whether it's going to clear out also what they have last Friday. NFP, there was no much impact. I believe there was no impact today. So let's see. Of course, Euro USD is at resistance based on the analysis we did on Monday. So let's see. Tingling, 2 seconds, 1 second, bam. Let's see. Right, the news is out. Let's see. Okay. Called CPI. Okay, the whole news failed. The whole news failed, right? So we now need to wait and see the level.
Let's see what happened.
Because the whole news failed.
Most likely market don't want to react.
Yes.
Based on that.
Okay.
Remember, market want to correct.
So right now it's still within the zone. Alright, because the news failed. So what will happen now is sentiment now. This can push up after a little, it will start to fall. So we have to wait to get the level. So don't jump into the market right now because it could actually fall anytime. And of course, you can't buy from that point. You can see it's already being rejected, the move. So the whole 3 news forecast was 0.3%, previously was 0.4%, forecast 0.3%, outcome 0.2% for core CPI. CPI is giving us 0.2 as well, and then CPI year to year is giving us 2.8. Forecasted was 2.9, previously was 3.0, and then previously on CPI mm is 0.5. So, are you on Forex Factory?
Yes, yes. I was
Okay.
showing them on Forex
You're showing the book, yeah.
So it fails, and the sentiment will come to play now.
Yes.
Okay.
If you can see, assuming that these news come out positive, it will have flashed down.
Yes.
But because it failed, and
that is not
these
the
all these
direction.
shares have already been, all of them have been
oversold.
overbought, as it has been up, and that's why you're not seeing great move upwards, right? Because people are not really much interested much to buy at this price. That is why it's not really moving up. So so I don't know whether what happened on Friday is also going to play out. No much movement. I told you that my major aim today is to trade Canadian dollar. So, but we just need to look at the CPI and see we get opportunity to trade. So right now, okay, gold is 29.22. So, right, as we are on, let's see how many persons are in talks right now, so that we know what we'll call out trade. Any trade you are calling out, I will also drop it on the free group. Okay. So, how many persons do we have now? Live now?
5.
Okay. Alright. You can see sometimes when people are asking for signal, you can see sometimes when market is like this, that there's no major move. You can't really, there's no major opportunity move for you to get into the market. Once you see market is still ranging like this, you may not need to trade, so you have to still wait. Alright, so you can see that it's still the same range, no breakouts.
Who knows when they will strike?
I
said, who knows when they will strike?
Our
price is cool.
Okay. So, I don't know, is it time for us to trade?
Okay. We can.
Because as it makes news, so whether we can start with, alright? If you enter scalping now, because right now, I want to scalp with 20 pips already. So if you want to sell, you can sell, because after the news, if you enter on the spike, it's already 20 pips. If you are scalping, you can start to close. You don't need to wait till you see 50 or 100 pips. Let me see if I can scalp. Okay. All right. On profits, I've entered on profit. I don't know how many persons that are following us. Like I said we can scalp right now. Alright? If you are scalping with me, as you see 20 pips, close your trade because we are scalping it. After the news, we trade. So we are trading, we are selling raw USD. Alright? Okay. Yes. Still running on profits, my raw USD. So this is how we trade, like you wait after the news. Whether the news come out favorable or not, you just look for opportunity and scalp. Okay? Alright. I don't know how many persons that are online with us right now. We are scalping Euro USD, we are selling Euro USD, and right now on profit. On profit. Even my gold is on profit. I'm scalping gold as well. I'm selling gold. So you can book your profit if you're selling gold. I'm selling gold as well. So let's show you. My Euro USD is almost 30 pips. Okay. I will show you my trades on gold now, the ones that I've scalped now. My gold and Euro USD, I'll show you right now. I entered around 2922. So this is already 50 pips for gold, including Euro USD. My Euro USD is also still falling.
Euro USD has started falling.
I told you guys, after the move up, if you want to hold, move your stop loss to entry point to. If you're holding, move your stop loss to entry point. If you're holding, move your stop loss to entry point. Let me measure how many pips. This is how you roll. So you don't need to enter before the news. You wait after the news. You trade accordingly. So this is 50 pips. Wow. 50 pips. Alright, for gold as well. 50 pips as well. You can see it's bouncing small. I believe you must have closed. Remember I told you, you scalp, you close, you wait again. So 50 pips move for Euro USD. So I don't know, is there anyone making comment? Any of them that took the trade when I asked them to enter? Please, if you took the trade, just indicate. How many persons online now?
3.
I'm entering gold again, no. I've entered again, no. Second position on profits. Okay, I've entered again 2020. So I'm already on 20 pips profits. Remember, it is scalping strategy we are doing. 20-30 pips, close your trade. Lena, you checking how many pips we have gathered though for this life now. This gold have moved another 20 pips. So 20 plus 50 is 70. This is how we roll. So we'll be doing more of live trading section. All you need to do is to fund your account. Once you fund your trading account, and then so that when we go live, you trade and make profit, you withdraw. You trade, profit, and withdraw. You trade, you profit, you withdraw. Okay. So for the JPY pairs that we analyzed on Monday, I don't know how many of us that took those trades that I analyzed on Monday. JPY pairs, CHF JPY, it was awesome, CAD JPY and GBP JPY. So I think what we need to look at now is the CAD Euro or CAD pairs, which is the next thing. Euro CAD is already falling. So okay, so I think we need to show them my system right now. For let's just look at those pairs, the one we analyzed on Monday. Let's look at this. But meanwhile, I can show my profit. Let me show my profit. The one that I already closed. You see what I've closed? You see? I see anymore. This is what? $72 close. So let's look at Canadian pairs and get set. I think my second position for profit now. Wait, it's like let me close the second position for no, let me still leave it. Let me see if it will get to 29. It will get to 29.15 and 29.10. I mean good. Let me still leave this one. Okay, so let's look at some of the pairs that have to do with Canadian. I believe you still have some. Yes. Yeah. So this is zero CAD. On Monday we analyze zero CAD. We look at this and then we'll come back. We can close this one by once it's 2 o'clock. I think it's by 2:45. So we need to close early and come back again. Or maybe let me just show this in the next 5 minutes. We can close this session and then give you time so that you can come back for Canadian. So but you can see already, you can see the Euro CAD that we analyzed on Monday. We told you that it could still push up into this zone and from there it will fall. Of course it did push, though you can see it tried to even go beyond, as in beyond this zone. Look at it. You can call it liquidity grab. That was yesterday. We tried to break this and today you can see that it's back. So I'm just waiting for that Canadian news, the rate cuts, because market may move, all these pairs may move in two directions. all right, after the rate cut, we may see Canadian dollar, first and foremost, it may be weak, after a flash, after a spike, and then before you know it, price will revert, just like what happened to dollar today. Even though the news was bad for dollar, but what happened? Still, after a spike, you can see that price started correcting, price started falling, dollar started rising after the news was released. So same thing may happen for Canadian dollar today. So I'm expecting more move downwards for Euro CAD. If you have not watched the video we made on Monday, you can go and watch it. Then the USD CAD, I told you that price may eventually move up to give us the leg, and we told you that Monday, as far as price have hit this liquidity zone for a buy, it's a other block here for a buy. There is liquidity here that price will rise, and of course that same price will, this is Monday, Tuesday, it was rising, this is Monday, Tuesday, and this is Wednesday. So price is still within 1.4395 or 1.4400 area. That is where price is ranging. So depending on the outcome of the news, we may still see this price trying to push off first before. So when you're trading USD CAD, you need to be very careful. If you're trading USD CAD, alright, my USD is still going down, alright, and my gold is still going down. Like I said, I asked you, if you can't hold anymore, you can partial close, you can move your stop loss to entry point. Remember, what we are just doing is just to scalp, because it's a live trading section. We are scalping the market based on the news, after the news, because after the news, movement can start to go the other way around. So GBP card, let me look at GBP card. This is GBP card. If you check GBP card, you will see this rising wedge. Look at the trend line. Price have actually hit the trend line here. Let's move this feed, right? You can see there's what we call top-down analysis. If you zoom in and you see where price is currently, this is like extended W shape. Look at it. So from here, I'm still expecting this price to move down more. So depending on the outcome of the news. So by that time, we'll be trading live again. 245, we'll be trading live again. So if you have funds in your account, and then join us for live trading section at 245. Right? That is it for GB card. Alright? I've shown you Euro card, GB card. Then let's look at card JPY. Card JPY is already moving up. Where is card JPY? Okay. Let me bring in card JPY. So let's bring in card JPY. Alright, so this is card JPY. You can see the harmonic pattern is playing out well on daily time frame for card JPY. And on Monday, I asked you guys to buy card JPY. Same thing, I told you on Monday to buy. I told you on Monday as well to buy CHF JPY, and you can see the move already. On Monday as well, I told you to buy GBJPY. You can see GBJPY play that well. So card JPY, if you're on card JPY, because of the news that is coming, please, of course, if you measure this, you see that it's already. I will send this straight to our paid group. Let's see how many pips it has made. So you can make sure you move your stop loss to entry point and make sure you must have partial close. This is over 200 pips. Over 200 pips from the analysis on Monday. Guys, we need feedback from you. I know I've seen some people sending their their love and their feedback to us. So if you are trading these pairs, if you have watched our videos and you find it interesting, or even if you did not trade it, but if you have watched it and see that it's going very well as analyzed, you can just give us your feedback. We want to see your feedback, guys. We want to see your feedback. So 200 something pips on that JPY. So make sure you must have partial close. Because anything that happens during fundamentals, during news, anything that happens. So make sure you must have partial close your position. So congratulations all those that took the trade on card or the JPY pairs, leading card JPY. Congratulations. So the ones that did not play out very well is the NZDs, all the NZDs. So we will still, like I said, the NZD I told us that it may try to still move up before it will fall. Alright, I even sent the trade to pay group. The one I sent to pay group actually hit stop loss. I didn't send it to free group, and that is for the AUD pairs and NZD. Alright, so but all the cards did well, all the JPY did well, and of course the gold we said also did well. So congratulations. So this is all for now. We'll come back by 2:45. Alright, before 2:45. Yes. Alright, so you can close your, right now I'm closing my position now for gold. I've closed 2 positions now for gold. I will show it to you as well. Alright, I've closed 2 positions for gold. Should I close my USD? My USD is still moving down. I don't know if I should just close this composition. I should wait first. I'll drop the screenshot for you to see some of the profits that we've made from all this. My US is still going down. Alright? Still going down. Even the one I just entered. Let me show you so that you see. See the one I just entered. It's still moving down. Awesome. Check any other thing before we
okay, so just like as we said, we forecasted and the forecast is also going well. In as much as we are thinking that dollar will be strong, but everything failed. But what you have to, the news failed.
And after the news, it's still going that direction.
Yes. And what you need to know is there is news, there is also sentiment in the market. So whenever a news fails, if the direction, the sentimental direction of the traders, okay, is not if they not align with the news, then expect market not to move in the news direction. So what we're just waiting for now, any little spike to see if all of this movement will correct. Remember, like we said, dollar is already down and it needs correction. So we felt that maybe the news would have corrected, but the news did not. So that is why the Aussie dollar moved that way. The same way Euro USD have been buying all this while, and it needed correction. So the news would have done that, but the outcome of the news did not correct it. So meaning that the pair is not interested in going up any longer. So maybe as soon as we see a down trend, okay, let's just see what will happen. Let's just see.
Okay, so thank you very much. We'll be coming back again by join us. We can start early before 2:45. We can start 2:30.
Yes.
Yeah, we'll start 2:30. We'll start 2:30.
Yes.
We'll go like 2:30. Thank you very much, guys. Bye, everyone.